Hello friends, welcome to one more interesting aspect of motivational skills, and the topic for today's discussion is gut decision. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes various types of intuitions come into our mind, and based on those intuitions we start taking important decisions in our life, and those decisions are known as gut decisions. The decisions based on our intuitions, our assumptions. Now, why these intuitions come into our mind? And is it good that an important decision in life should be based on intuition only? Is it valid in any way? Ladies and gentlemen, while taking crucial decisions in life, especially I am talking about professional life, the intuitions that come into our mind, they are the result of our experiences only. That's why in most of the cases these intuitions are highly logical and highly profitable. I give you an example. You graduate from an institution and you join a company for the first time. Whatever knowledge you have gained, whatever knowledge you are having, all that knowledge is absolutely bookish knowledge. The subjects that you read during your course. Now when you join any industry, before actually aligning you in a work, in a task, industry people give you certain trainings. These trainings are related to the technical profile in which they are going to put you, and they are also related to overall personality development. Along with technical things, they also teach you how to groom your personality, how to dress appropriately, how to speak properly, how to behave in front of vendors and distributors of the company, how to behave in front of clients and customers of the company, how to deal with third-party partners of the company. All these things are taught to you once you become the part of an industry as a fresher. And the profile for which you have been hired, you are put into that profile and you are told everything related to that profile, how the industry is actually working in that profile and what industry is expecting from you. Everything is told to you in a broad manner, and then industry expects that you should perform your best. And as you are going through all these training stages, your own personal knowledge also increases. Your credibility increases. You become more knowledgeable. And as you move ahead in corporate ladder, as you keep getting promotions, you keep becoming more knowledgeable, more mature. And when you become more knowledgeable and more mature, it affects your decision-taking ability also. And in this manner, your gut instinct enhances. It becomes more accurate. So as a fresher, your gut instinct was not as accurate at that time. But since now you have gained enough experience, you have undergone different training sessions within the industry, that's why your gut decision-taking ability becomes even more stronger. And in such a condition, when you have become more knowledgeable and more experienced, this time when you take any gut decision, it is appropriately fine. It will always give you great results, not only to you but also to your organization. Because when we become experienced, our thinking ability increases. When we are freshers, we think only on the basis of the bookish knowledge that we have gained in our colleges, in our universities. And that knowledge is only required to get an entry-level position in corporate sector. The real thing, how the things are actually happening, how the machineries are actually working, how people are collaborating with different types of people inside the organization, all these things you come to know once you become the part of industry. Before becoming the part of industry, knowing all these things is absolutely impossible. And as you keep knowing all these things, your knowledge keeps increasing, your understanding keeps increasing, and then there are a large number of growth opportunities available within the corporate sector. You can learn more, you can do more certifications, you can do more qualifications. And some major organizations of the country also provide you financial benefits. If you want to upgrade your skills by doing more certifications or by doing some kind of higher qualification, organizations provide you monetary benefit also for that. So you don't need to worry that you have to pay the entire money on your own. Your own company will help you to uplift yourself, to upgrade your skill. And when you become more knowledgeable, you become more accurate, and accurately you take all the decisions in your life, whether it is related to your personal life or professional life. And that enhances your gut instinct. And in such a condition where you have become highly knowledgeable, you think something and you plan something for your organization in advance based on your gut instinct, that decision is always profitable for the organization. At that particular stage, your own people of your own organization start relying on your gut instinct. So ladies and gentlemen, if you think that gut instinct is bad, it will not take you anywhere. It is a bad assumption. It is a wrong assumption. Gut instinct is a very crucial thing in life. Sometimes your heart says something to you. That is very crucial. If you ignore it, you might not get the desired results. And always remember that gut instinct is more powerful when you become more experienced. I am not saying that freshers don't have their gut instinct. They have. But when they become more experienced, with more knowledge, with more technical and non-technical skills, desirable by the organization, your gut instinct becomes even more stronger. And at that time, all the decisions taken by the gut effect will be highly perfect decisions and will always be in the direction of growth of your organization. So please believe your gut instinct. You are intelligent. Keep learning. Keep growing. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.